Hello, hello, we're back. It's another day in December. More stickers. Day 17. Oh, let's see if it's more food, because that seems to be the trend right now. No, it's not. Well, there's a little bit, but mostly it's kitty cats. This is called Lost Street Cat. Cat with a K. Oh, aren't they precious? Aren't they just adorable? I love the latte with the cat foam on top. That's so cute. And this one in the rain under an umbrella. Oh, they're all adorable. Well, I vote for this one. That's just beyond adorable. Let's see, will it fit here? Be careful not to cover up Black the Otter as Alice in Wonderland. There we go. Beautiful. Yay. There aren't any tiny ones to put on the bottom, so we'll skip that part today. And that's it. That's it for day 17. Yay. See you tomorrow.